Howdy, y'all. So we have this Echo blower here today. They said it won't start, so let's verify that it won't actually start. Choke on, switch on, and it won't start. It's not even hitting. Spark plugs in, so we're probably not getting fuel. Looks like there's fuel in it, and the fuel smells good. And the fuel line is under the surface. So let's check oh, there's a problem right there. The fuel line is cracked. It's just sucking air right into it. So we have a few options. We could cut this split part off and just put it back on, but in this case the fuel line is too short, so it would probably just pop back off. So we'll just replace the fuel line. Grab your fuel line hooker and pull the fuel line out of the tank, and let's pop the fuel filter off, and let's verify the filter is still good. You can blow into it, and if the fuel comes out smoothly, it's still good. If you have to blow past a blockage or very hard, then it's probably bad. Then let's pull the old fuel line out. Cut a new one a little bit longer than the old one. Then let's stick it down into the fuel tank and hook the line to bring the end back out of the tank. Then we need to put the fuel filter on the end of the new line. Just keep working it till you get it on there. You want to get it past the first notch there. Then we can put it back into the fuel. We'll stretch the carb end a little bit to make it go on easier. Then work it onto the carburetor. Get it past the notches there. If we feel where it goes into the tank, we need to make sure it has enough resistance and it's tight enough, otherwise fuel might just leak out here. So this one is fine here. Our fuel line is under the surface, so let's try to start it now. We can see we're sucking fuel now. There we go. What we'll do to check this out, we'll look inside the chamber to make sure we're not just fixing something that's just in bad overall health. So we'll take the spark plug out. The spark plug looks good. We'll send a camera down into the cylinder chamber. This one looks fine on the walls. We don't see any problems here. Look for scoring that runs up and down on chamber walls. Here's an example on the left of a chamber that's messed up. The little lines running up and down, these can cause big problems. Or this really deep one here, this one would cause a total loss of compression. So our chamber wall here is fine. Then we put this spark plug back in. Be cautious, it's probably very hot if you had it running. Then we tighten it on good, put the wire back on, and let's check one more time. Choke on and switch on. There we have it. Now you know how to replace a fuel line. Thanks for watching.